Welcome to Chef Jenny. Alright, Jenny will make, what you're making? You'll make a sweet potato balls.
Yeah.
Okay, first, come on.
This.
This one first. This, you hold this one. Alright. Okay, mask it. Mask like that. And then we put the sugars.
Sugar.
You mix, okay, put the sugar on and mix it. Mommy will help you to mix. Alright, good girl. And then we add the butter. You add the butter. And mix together. Mix together. And then we add the pumpkin pie spicy. What is that? Alright. And mix together. And last, we put this sis. That one. Yes, ma'am. Alright. Put it there. You have more. You have more. Inside. Okay, you can put by your finger. Oh, it's okay. Hold by your finger and put it there. There, that's the Chef Jenny. Can you smile with the camera? Look the camera. Say, hi, I'm Chef Jenny.
Hi, I'm Chef Jenny.
Alright, and then you mix it.
Okay.
Okay, mix and mix and mix and mix. Alright, mix. Mix. Mix.
You mix like this.
Oh, you make. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, you mix too. Mix it. Alright. Jenny is making sweet potato balls. The ingredients with, what's this? Marshmallow and orange juice, the egg. Oh, just a minute. Oh, don't put the egg here. Wait. Okay. We mix together already the sweet potato. Now you make the egg. Put the egg. Put the egg here. Oh, we need to open it. Open. Ooh, okay, open it. Open. Oh, alright, that's good. Okay, and then, oh, you can wipe your hands there. I'm sorry. That's the chef do. Oh, you have to wipe the table. Now give me. It's okay. It's okay. And then you mix it. You mix it. This. Mix it slowly. Slowly hold the ball. Have to hold the ball. And you mix it. And mix and mix. 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 One more. Mix more. Like that. Hold the ball. Okay? And then what else? More. Just mix it gently. Alright. Now you get this. Okay. Wait. Give me that. Just I'll hold it. I'll get the table. Wait. Okay, put that here. That holder, that mixer, put there. Wait, I will get something. We can put your fix.
Also, put this here.
Yeah, no, not like that. Okay, now what you do? Wait, don't pull, don't pull. Okay, this one like that. And then what you do? Wait.
Sprinkle this in here.
Sprinkle? No. One, more, one count, or one